Assalamu alaikum. JL Outsourcing invites you all. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Learn about JL Outsourcing, everything you need to grow your business, profession, and skills with us. With advanced technology, advanced skills, you will get everything from how to grow your business, professional skills. Using advanced technology can greatly reduce business costs and make more profits. If you want to do well in outsourcing, freelancing, various computer courses, work professionally in public and private jobs, you can increase your professional skills by participating in our various courses. You can join us from any part of the world, receive our services, and be able to work with us. Online business. If you want to business online, in that case creating an international standard web page design, writing on the website, creating accounts on social media, designing social media account pages, designing logos, designing business cards, bringing your website to the first page of Google, making videos, Google, Facebook, various media ad given. We also provide you with tips on how to run your business online. Offline business. Those who are doing business offline, there are various jobs in different departments such as personnel, administration, commercial, accounts, marketing, tax, etc. We will also help you with how you can easily solve all the problems. Freelancing career, outsourcing, government, private jobs. We help you get government, private jobs, freelancing, outsourcing jobs. We help you with how to get a job and work better after getting a job. Similarly, if you want to gain expertise in any field of freelancing, outsourcing, you can contact us. Opportunity to make money online. If you have good skills in any field, you can earn income by teaching and freelancing jobs with us. Our notable services: web design and development. We do all kinds of web designing and development work such as domain name registration, hosting, website design and development, e-commerce websites. We create SEO-friendly websites. Digital marketing. We do all kinds of work in digital marketing such as SEO, social media marketing, SEM, content writing, bringing the website to the first page of Google, Facebook ads, etc. Graphic design. We do all the work of graphics design like logo design, banner design, social media design, website design, Photoshop editing, flyer design, business card and stationery, etc. Composition and translation. We do all the writing and translation work. Business. We do various business operations such as business planning, data entry work, accounting, financial statements, income tax, audit, administration work, commercial work, personal department work, etc. Industry. Industrial organizations. We do various jobs such as market research, industrial and product design, mixing and mastering, etc. Also, stay tuned for more different types of services. Our freelancing course, outsourcing course, employment and computer comprehensive courses, you will find here freelancing training, outsourcing training, IT courses, computer training courses such as web designing, web design course, web design and development courses, software development courses, digital marketing courses, graphics designing course, SEO course, video and animation courses, etc. Here you will find various job enhancement courses such as office management course, accounting course, administration course, personal departmental course, commercial departmental course, etc. There are also a variety of practical courses that will help you improve your career skills. Learn about the founders and CEOs of our organization. The name of the founder and CEO of our organization is MD Jamal Uddin Malla. He was born in an aristocratic family in the Brahmanbaria district of Bangladesh. In his academic life, he studied chartered accountant, masters in management, and took courses in various subjects for running an online business such as digital marketing, online business consultant, business analysis, web design and development, software development, graphic design, etc. While studying, he supervised various companies' audit and worked in a reputed group of companies. He later worked with the world's largest companies in freelancing and outsourcing. He is currently involved in online business. Other members of the organization are working in our organization with skilled manpower on various issues at home and abroad. How to know more about us? We currently have 2 websites in English and Bengali medium. If you like to read English, then visit English website, and if you like to read Bangla, then visit Bangla website. If you want to get the news on our website regularly, subscribe to our website. We have 2 YouTube channels in English and Bengali medium. If you want to get our regular YouTube videos, subscribe to the channels. We also have social media pages in English and Bengali such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest. Follow and like the pages to get our news regularly on social media. In case of any need, you can contact us directly through our mobile number, WhatsApp, Viber, Imo, and by sending an email. Hope you know more about us. Stay tuned for more details. Stay well, stay healthy, and keep subscribing to our channel to get more videos later. Allah Hafiz.